Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the chapter Physical World. In the ancient days, we have no any type of facilities, but nowadays we are using fans, TVs, ACs, flights, satellites. How these are all possible? These are all possible by science. Science means the knowledge gained by the humans by doing experiments in a systematic way is called science. Science has number of branches. If the science deals with living things is called biological science. Example, botany, zoology, etc. If the science deals with non-living things is called physical science. Example, physics, chemistry, etc. Now we move to physics. What is physics? Physics is a branch of science which deals with the nature and natural phenomena. So physics deals with nature and natural phenomena. There are number of scientists who contribute a lot to physics. They invented number of things which made the human life easy, comfort. They saved the time of humans like motorbike, trains, flights, etc. We remind some of those scientists. First, Isaac Newton. He discovered gravity by the incident falling apple from the tree. He discovered force and has given 3 laws of motion regarding force. That's why his name is used as SI unit for the force. He has given corpuscular theory, first theory on light. He is father of physics. Second, Albert Einstein. He has explained photoelectric effect on quantum theory, which was used in burglar alarms, automatic opening and closing doors, etc. Second, special theory of relativity. Very interesting subject and very confusing subject. And third, mass energy equivalence. E is equal to mc square, which is used to manufacture atomic bomb used to destroy Japan at the time of Second World War. He is father of modern physics. Next, the scientist C.V. Raman, our Indian scientist, and discovered Raman effect. Raman effect means the scattering of light by molecules of medium when they are excited to vibrational energy levels. The scattering of light by molecules of medium when they are excited to vibrational energy levels. Suppose if we pass the light through the transparent material like glass, it scattered the light. That scattering light consists of 2 lines. One line has higher frequency and another line has lower frequency. Depending upon the frequency difference, we determine properties of the molecules. Properties of molecules. That is Raman effect. Next, S. Chandrasekhar, Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. He discovered structure and evolution of star and Chandrasekhar limit. Chandrasekhar limit means when the star is converted into black hole. If the mass of the star is greater than 1.4 of mass of the sun, then that star is converted into black hole. That is called Chandrasekhar limit. Next, the scientist Faraday. Faraday discovered electromagnetic induction. This is used in security check missions, induction cookers, ATM missions. We have learned in our 10th class. Now we discuss fundamental forces. There are number of forces in this nature. Among those forces, we consider only 4 forces as fundamental forces because these forces are basic and foundation level to greatest heights of the physics. First one, gravitational force. We have learned in our 9th class. Every body in the universe attracts other body with a force directly proportional to the product of the masses of the two bodies and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them is called gravitational force. Next one, electromagnetic force. This force is acting between charged particles given by Coulomb. F proportional to Q1 Q2 by R square. Third one, strong nuclear force. This force is used to bind the protons and neutrons in the nucleus. Last one, weak nuclear force. This force appears in certain processes like beta decay. These are the fundamental forces in physics. Now we discuss nature of physical laws. Nature of physical laws. Laws are always conserved and have deep connected with symmetry of nature. Symmetry of nature. Laws are always conserved and deeply connected with symmetry of nature. Conserved means constant. Symmetry means same. So, the laws are always constant and same at any place, at any time, and at any situation. For example, law of conservation of energy, law of conservation of momentum, linear momentum, law of conservation of angular momentum, angular momentum, law of conservation of charge. These laws are always constant and same at any place, any time, and at any situation because laws are conserved and have the property symmetry. But phenomena have no the property of symmetry. They are changing from one place to another place, from one situation to another situation. For example, if we take law of gravitation and acceleration due to gravity. This is law. Laws are always conserved and have the property of symmetry. So law of gravitation is constant and same at any place and at any situation. But acceleration due to gravity is phenomenon. It has the property of symmetry. It is changing from one place to another place. On Earth, its value is 9.8 meter per second square. On Moon, its value 1/6 of the acceleration due to gravity on Earth. So, law of gravitation has the property symmetry, and acceleration due to gravity has the property of symmetry.